we just paid for groceries off of the Harmonic Scanner.
Every single trade for months and months and months. So somebody says, let me see your track record here. Here's all the statistics. Here's all the performance. Here's everything we have.
It's happening, it's working. We're living testimonials, guys. We're success stories, and we're waiting for the new leaders to step up.
Bro, dude, I was just on the Harmonic Scanner and it called out a trade. I followed it, and look at this. Put a sell in at the top. Freaking drop. Hit entry point, dude. Went right down.
Dude, this is like your personal ATM. Look at that.
I know, and then look at this profit, bro.
Guys, I just had a $1,000 day. You saw it right before your eyes.
I'm going to show you a drop-dead simple way to trade the Forex. It's literally Forex for dummies, right? And we've simplified trading the Forex down to a simple copy and paste process from an app on your phone. I'm going to demonstrate it right here in front of you right now. So the way this works is the professionals, we have professional traders that trade for a living. They analyze the charts, they do all that complicated stuff, and when they find a trade that they're ready to take, they send all the information to a phone on your app. So you're going to be sitting there, you'll get a notification on your phone, similar to the same notification you get when you receive a text message, right? So you get the notification, and you see the app right here, it's this green one right there, right? You open up the app and you'll see this, new trade alert. Right? You simply swipe this way to the right to accept it, and check this out. All the data for the trade is right here, right? The pair, if it's, if a sell limit, the entry price, all the data right here that you need to get into the trade. Now watch how this copy and paste works, right? So say I want to start with the entry price, right? Which is right here. You see these little copy and paste buttons? I just hit that, right? Let me hit it, Look at, right? Data successfully copied. Now I go over to the trading app, right? Which is right next to it. I have it next to it on my phone, right? I hit that, right? Now I brought up the trade to make this quicker, but you look here, I just copied the price, right? Which is right there. All I do is hit that, right? And then I paste it, boom. The number's right in there, right? So you copy the price over, you copy the stop loss over, and you hit execute and you're done. Right? You don't need to know anything about trading. You don't even know anything about the Forex charts or anything. It's simple. You get the notification, you open up the app, and you take 10 seconds to copy and paste two numbers, and then boom, the trade either wins or it loses. Now these professionals are hitting trades at 8 out of 10 correctly. Right? We're profiting every single week. It's so much fun and it's so amazing. So
Forex is the short form of foreign exchange. Well, Forex is a bit more than that. For example, companies buy goods from other countries. In order to buy them, they need to obtain the local currency first, just like us when going on holiday. The difference is they will exchange huge amounts. When these companies exchange these huge amounts, they will actually move the price because the demand for the currency that they need increases. When the demand increases, the price increases. With all this exchanging going on around the world, the exchange rates constantly move. This is how it works. When currencies are exchanged, they have a certain price, the exchange rate. As in any market, the price of a currency is determined by the law of supply and demand. If there are many people or companies that want to change euros into dollars, the price of the dollar will rise against the euro, and so the exchange rate will change. Let's use an everyday example to explain how you can actually profit from this. Say you live in Europe and went on holiday to the United States. Let's say that you changed your 500 euros into US dollars at the rate of $1.4 for every euro. You got 700 US dollars, but you do not spend any money at all. So you still have $700 after you come back. After the exchange rate moved from 1.4 to 1.3, instead of getting just 500 euros back, you actually get 538.5 euros. You have gained 38.5 euros simply from holding your money in dollars while the exchange rate changed. This is essentially how we trade in the Forex market. We buy a certain amount of a currency, hold on to it whilst the exchange rate moves, then change it back, making money along the way. How to decide when the right time to buy and sell is exactly what we teach you throughout the rest of our learning lessons. As you can imagine, Traveling a lot and saving a bit of money on your holiday budget and then exchanging it, it's not really a practical approach to trading currencies. Fortunately, there is an easier way to do this. You can trade currency through online exchange offices called brokers. What this means is that you can exchange currencies online throughout the day and take advantage of the constantly fluctuating exchange rates. Just as in the example of when you went on holiday, you can buy different currencies and make a profit as the exchange rates change. This is trading the Forex market. Trading Forex online with a broker has many benefits. You can trade Forex from your home or anywhere that you have an internet connection. The Forex market never sleeps. It is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and so can suit your daily routine. You do not need a huge budget to get started. As little as $150 is enough to begin trading and building your account over time.
I want you to understand, this company was founded in 2013. We're already established in 120 countries right now. So you literally have a global business the first day that you're involved in this opportunity. Completely debt-free. This company was founded by Christopher Terry. This gentleman has a vast amount of experience when it comes to the industry of Forex. Over 22 years, literally has earned tens of millions of dollars in this particular space of business. Been featured in several different books, several different magazines. He was actually a contributor to the Money Show as well. I had a chance to meet him, and just really down to earth, a gentleman that actually just told it like it was, like it is. And what he's been able to do is take a system, a service that he was providing. And if you wanted to learn how to trade Forex from Christopher Terry, ladies and gentlemen, you were paying $5,000 to $10,000 for a weekend session with him. So he was able to now create these services and make them available to you for $195. All right. Now, how does this make money for you? How does this work? Well, he put together 7 different services that do 2 things. Number 1, it actually teaches you. And number 2, it allows you to actually earn money while you're learning. All right. And I actually broke it down into 3 categories. All right. And I want you to follow me on this, because what I did was I took something that you may think is complex, and we have made it very simple for you to understand. All right. The first category that we're going to talk about requires no experience. All right. Majority of the people that you're going to talk to may not have any experience when it comes to the Forex world. So here's what Christopher Terry put together. We have what we call the Auto Trader. The Auto Trader requires, you see it? No trading experience required. All right? It is a software that you can easily install that actually mirrors a professional trader, and they actually trade on your behalf. The best way that I could describe this particular product here is the gym membership, where someone else goes to do the workout, someone else does the lifting, they do the running, but you get all the muscles. How many of you like that gym membership? All right? All right? Guys, you get a chance to benefit from over 25 years of experience when it comes to the Forex industry, setting up your Auto Trader. All right? The next product that we have is the IML Signals app. People absolutely love this. We call it the swipe trades. It's an app that you can actually download right on your phone, where every single day, multiple times a day, we're actually going to send you signals. We're actually going to send you trades that you can actually profit from. Ladies and gentlemen, that requires you not to call anybody. You don't have to recruit anybody, but you can actually make money utilizing the swipe trades. See, we had a young man in Florida that actually got started with us, 19 years old. This gentleman, utilizing the swipe trades, his first week in iMarkets Live, made $900 trading. Ladies and gentlemen, he could not do that with any normal network marketing company. It would be a little bit more challenging for him to do that. But utilizing the swipe trades, he was able to do that his first week in the business. Then we have the daily swing trades. These trades come directly from Christopher Terry. So now you're getting trades sent to you by the CEO, the gentleman that has over 22 years of experience in this industry of Forex. All right. So those first 3 products require no experience whatsoever. The next, I would say, is educational. All right, so you say, David, I want to learn this. I want to learn for myself how to trade within the Forex industry. What we've actually done is we've put together the Harmonic Scanner trading course. Ladies and gentlemen, the Harmonic Scanner is the #1 tool that traders use around the world. We've actually put a course together that actually teaches you how to read the Harmonic Scanner. It literally shows you how to really prophesy what's actually going to happen in the marketplace. And then we also have the IML Academy. This is basic, intermediate, and advanced training on Forex. All of it is available to you for you to learn and earn at your own pace, taking you through A through Z when it comes to everything about the Forex industry. So the educational part, do you see value in that? Investing, watch this, less than $2,000 over the course of a year to learn a skill set that can actually teach you how to multiply money. To show you how to take $1 and turn it into $5. How many of you can see the power of that? Because see, everybody's so focused on how can I make more money? How can I make more money? But no one is thinking about how can I multiply what's already in my hands? That's what wealthy people do. And they've been doing this for years. That's what the banks are doing with your money. All right. The last part would be interactive. So we have the IML TV and we also have the live trading room as well. So the live trading room, every single day, you can actually watch traders trade live. And they're actually coaching while they're doing it as well. And then you have the IML TV, which is round the clock training on the Forex industry. All of these services that I just shared with you, if you were actually going to go out in the marketplace to get them, you're looking at thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars is what you would need to invest to be able to do that. This company says for one time, $195, you can now participate in a $5.3 trillion a day industry, learning and earning. All right. Now, some people say, well, David, is that really what iMarkets Live is really all about? And it is. That's all it is. It's not about you going out and recruiting anybody into the business. You don't have to do it if you don't want to. This is about you making a decision to actually take control of your life financially. Because what else are you going to do out there? What other avenues are out there for you to learn how to multiply your money? That's available to you. That doesn't require you to have any licenses whatsoever. $145 a month. This is the monthly subscription. $145. Now, I saw the value in that. If you take that over the course of a year, it's less than $2,000. You know, most companies out there, you're investing over $1,000 to get started, and you're buying $400 or $500 worth of whatever it is on a monthly basis. So by the end of the year, you're in $6,000, $7,000. Here, we're teaching you a skill set that can show you how to multiply money for the rest of your life. All right? $145. Now, here's what Christopher Terry put together. The company says, if you actually just referred 2 customers, 2 people that you knew, maybe they saw your results. They saw that you made a couple $100 utilizing the swipe trades. You know, I called a young lady when I first got involved, and her and her husband knew nothing about the Forex industry whatsoever. Matter of fact, they thought that we were actually going to be talking about stocks. They had no idea what Forex was. And Forex is short for foreign exchange. And, you know, they got involved in the business because they actually trusted me, and they started utilizing the auto trader. Guys, their first day utilizing the auto trader, they actually grew, their account grew by $1.72. And they called me fired up, super excited. And I was thinking to myself, why are you excited about $1.72? And then I thought about it. If you put $500 in your account today, what is it going to read tomorrow? $500. Yeah. Next week, what is it going to read? $500. Next month, what would it read? $492. All right? Because you have that $8 monthly service fee, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
The next day, it actually grew another $47. So now they're like, wow, this actually works. They started learning, utilizing the Harmonic Scanner. They started going through IML Academy, right? They automatically referred to customers. So now the company actually waived their $145 monthly subscription. So now they were doing all this for free without having to pay a single dime to learn and earn. Right now, they're averaging a little over $1,000 a week trading. They're making more money trading than they are actually building the networking side of this business. That's what I was looking for. Right? Their biggest day was $3,600 trading. Okay? They have forgotten that there is a network marketing side to this business. All right? So 2 and free. How many of you can afford free? Raise your hand if you can afford free. Yes, sir. Okay? Everybody can do that. All right? Now, if you decided that you wanted to refer and you wanted to actually build a business, J. Paul Getty says it best. I would rather have 1% of 100 people's efforts versus 100% of my efforts. The company says you can become an IBO. All right? To become an IBO, it's a $15 upgrade to become an IBO. Company says sponsor one more customer. All right? And now what we will do, you're no longer a part of the 2 and free because you're not a customer anymore. You're now an IBO. Okay? So what we will actually do, you will now become a Platinum 150 because you've sponsored 3 customers. Correct? And what we will start doing on a monthly basis, we will send you a commission check, and we actually pay it out to you weekly too, but in a month, $150. Okay? $150 for 3 customers. Ladies and gentlemen. Now, some of you say, well, man, is that really big? Well, let's look at this. $145, okay, per customer, correct? Times that by 3, that's $435 in volume. So you have generated $435 in sales, and your residual income is $150? Okay, that didn't really hit you? Let's go to the next one. Watch this, all right? Because this is where they got me. This is where I was like, okay, wait a minute. I saw this and I said, you know what? People can win. It was that simple for me, all right? That was really the driving force to me saying, this is what I actually want to do. Company says, you got your 3, but let's say we grow it to 12, all right? We help those 3 actually go out and, they get their 3 as well. So now you have a total of 12 customers. 12 times 145 is $1,740 in volume. Correct? Your residual income at this level is $600. For generating, somebody said much better, right? For generating $1,740 in volume, your residual income, those same 12 customers, whether they're getting it for free or not, 12 customers, $600 per month residual income. Now, let me share with you what really took it over the top. See, the person that invited you, all right, to their home or wherever it is that you're seeing this opportunity right now, they have the ability to actually assist you in growing your income. So what do you mean by that? Well, we only build 3 teams. So now the person that actually introduced you to this concept, when they actually place people down below you, the company says those customers that they place below you will count towards your 12 customers. So we could literally put 4 people below you and it would actually count towards your 12 customers. How many of you love helping people?
Yes.
Okay. When I saw this, I saw an opportunity for me to truly help people financially. Because in other companies, I couldn't do that. I couldn't place people down below you and it count towards your income. But here, we could actually do that. As you continue to grow your business, right, it grows from 12. And I love drawing this out on the whiteboard so you can really, really see it. Right? It grows from 12, say it goes to 30. All right? So the next rank is Platinum 1000. So 12, 12, 6. So you have 30 customers in your business, 30 customers times 145. You're now generating $4,350 in volume. Your residual income is $1,000 per month for generating $4,350 in revenue. And by the way, every single time you enroll a new customer, you actually earn a $35 fast start. So it's a referral bonus that the company actually pays out to you. When you get to that Platinum 600, we'll actually pay you $10 for everyone that comes in on your second level. So you sponsored me in the business. I go on and I sponsor Andrea into the business. You got paid $35 for me, but guess what? You get paid $10 when I went out and sponsored Andrea. You become a Platinum 1000. Anybody who comes in on your third level, you get paid $5. Ladies and gentlemen, do not discount these 10s and 5s. They add up very quickly. All right? Guys, as you continue to grow your business from 30 customers, all right, the momentum is already picking up. You grow it to 75 customers. Keep in mind, we can actually place 12 people below you and it would count towards your 30 customers. We can place 30 people below you and it would count towards your 75 customers. 75 times, you see it on that chart there, right? Times 145, this is $10,875 in volume. Your residual income is $2,000. And we could place 30 people below you and it would count towards the 75. Okay? You continue to grow the business because now momentum is really now taking off. By the way, we only have a little over 8,000 people in this company right now. So when you talk about timing, okay, and I'm going to share that with you because when I looked at this opportunity, there were really 4 things that I was really looking for, and I saw all 4 of them available here. You go Platinum 5,000, 90, 90, 45. So that's a total of 225 subscribers in your business, all right? Times 145 for the monthly subscription. This is $32,625 in volume. Your residual income is $5,000. Ladies and gentlemen, and we could place 90 people below you and it would still count towards your 225. So literally, quite possibly, you can only build a team of 135 people and be at $5,000 a month residual. You're giving people an opportunity to learn a skill set that shows them how to multiply money within the largest industry in the world, 5.3. All right. See, our products, guys, our product is money. Will money always be in demand? Raise your hand if, you know, if like we'll ever not have a demand for money.
Because of the tools, I've been able to tap into those markets for I've been trading my own account now for almost 10 months. And do you realize that I've profited a little over $160,000 in that time frame? They send a trade signal out to us. And all we got to do is copy and paste it. It's really that simple. It's really pretty amazing how it works. And by copying and pasting, basically how I got through college, copying off of someone else's paper, I've been able to profit over $160,000 in 9 months. It's incredible. It's the coolest thing I've ever done, coolest thing I've ever been a part of.
Hey guys, what's going on? This is Jessica. I'm here to tell you about an opportunity that has literally made me an additional stream of income with little to no work. So normally I do MLM opportunities and things like that where you have to recruit, you have to sell, you have to constantly interact with people. And I'm a mom of 2 toddlers and I have one with autism, which can be really challenging and time consuming. So a friend of mine told me about IML and I was totally hesitant about it until I was like, you know what, let me just give it a shot. Excuse me. And I did. I gave it a shot and literally like you get an alert on your phone. You decide if you want to participate, you click a button to copy it, you go to the next app, you paste, and then that's all you have to do. You close your app and the money is made for you. Like, it's so simple, you guys. There's no recruiting, there's no selling, there's no dealing with crazies or skeptics. Like, it's just making profit. So if you're thinking about doing this, at least give it a shot and see, because literally everyone that I have introduced to this opportunity has made money.
Hey, how you doing? My name is Matthew. I'm currently a firefighter EMT. Just to give you a little bit about myself, I graduated high school in 5 years. I didn't go to college. I don't have a trade or skill. I don't have a history in finances. I didn't inherit any money. That over the years I have, been trying to venture into being an entrepreneur, and I've lost thousands of dollars because I did not know what I was doing or what I was getting into. So I got involved with this opportunity at the end of August, and one of the biggest things that attracted to me was one, I could finally have some type of skill, something that once I learn, no one else can take from me. I can have it for life. Two, I can make money from my cell phone. As long as I have an internet connection, I can make money. That was amazing. So I got involved. I was working really hard at my 9 to 5, so I can have some money to put into a trading account. I made a little bit over $4,000. Yeah, I made $4K in 4 days, ladies and gentlemen, from this opportunity. No experience trading at all. I just simply followed that directions, copy, paste, and profit. That's what I did. I copy, I paste, and I profit. That's simple. So, if you need more information, please get back to the person that invited you to this video, and I look forward to seeing you to the team. Peace.
So look at all the money that was made today. Look at this. Look at this. Take a picture of our screen. Take a picture of our screen. Look at all the money that's made. Come on. Oh, that's live money, guys. There's nobody in the industry. No other company in the industry. Look at all the money. Look at that. Everybody's getting fed.